Starting with the great name of Allah, the most gracious and the most merciful. Myself, Shama Mead, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Computernetic Zone, for another exciting lecture. In today's lecture, I shall be discussing about the C program, and here the C program that here I will enter any character, and the program will generate the ASCII code against that character. So here you can see here, so this is a first line, that is hash include studio.h. hash include is basically the header file, and it's a keyword, a header file, and here we use studio.h, which is a standard input output. .h is a header file. So we introduce this standard input output header file because of printf and scanf. The printf function and scanf function is defined in studio.h header file, so that's why we introduce this file. So second is the int main. So this is the main function. Here you can see here, this is a main function, and this is start here and it ends here. So here I have defined a variable of character data type a. So here the printf function is used. So in printf function there is a statement written, that is enter any character. So you can enter any character, whatsoever character you want from A to Z, you can enter any character. And then against that, this is a %c format specifier, and we store that character in variable A. Why we use a %c? Because of character. So character data type, for character data type we use %c format specifier. So this is a format specifier. Now you can see here, is our main function that we used in printf, that will convert the character into ASCII code. So you can see here the ASCII value of %c. Now this %c is the character value of any format specifier of any character that we have entered, so which is stored in A. And this is a %d. So this %d is the character, this %c is used for character which is stored in A here, and this is a d is basically your entered character. So this is a %d which is also stored in A, and this is a of return 0. So when I run this program, you can see here there is no error. So when I enter any character, for example I enter a character A, and now the program will generate the ASCII code of that character A. So the ASCII code of character A is 65, right? So when I again run this program, I enter a character A, small a, and the ASCII code of small a is 97. Again I run this program and I enter character Z, capital Z. So here the output ASCII value of Z is 90, and I then again enter any character which is P. So the ASCII value of P is 80. So this is all about today's lecture. If you like this video, share it. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. I will definitely respond there. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, you can subscribe it and click on the bell icon so that you can get more videos. Thank you and have a great day.